Hello, this is Tammy with Tammy Creations, and I thought today I would show you how I package up my jewelry to send to a customer. So I just got these new cards from a company on Etsy. I think it's called Homegrown, and they make really cool personalized things. I got this from them as well that I can hang my earrings on, and when I take pictures you can see how long they are. So anyway, I will put this necklace on here. Let's say a customer just purchased this. And then I'm going to put it in this box, which I got also on Amazon from the display guys. I'm thinking now that I've got smaller cards, I could probably get smaller boxes. And then I will, actually, this is a copper piece, so I'm going to include a polishing pad, and I put that right underneath here. All right, and I'm going to close it. And then I have these, this ribbon, and I put it around the box. So even if it's not a gift or marked a gift, I go ahead and do this. So if someone purchases something from me, it looks like a gift, even if it's just for them. So I finished this little bow, like that. And then I also got these. This is a painting that I did, and I had this done on Vistaprint. So in the inside, I just had it say, "Thanks for supporting Tammy business with your order. If you purchase jewelry made with oxidized copper wire, we are including a polishing cloth so you can keep it bright when it begins to tarnish. Enjoy your purchase, and we look forward to working with you again." So I usually say dear and their name, and I put the date, and then down here I say, "Thanks, Tammy." And then I put it in this envelope that came with it. And inside of there, I also include one of our business cards. This is a Tammy card, and I put a magnet on the back. So I got these from Amazon, 200 magnets. I can't remember how much. It was like $30 or something. Kind of expensive, but I figure if people will put this on the refrigerator after they get it, that's really good. And then I've also got my painting business, so I go ahead and put that in there as well. And then after I put it in the envelope, I seal it, and here you can see my little setup here. I've got these little thank you for supporting my small business. So I'll put that here on where it closes up. And I've got my little polishing cloths, my ribbon, my boxes, my scissors for cutting the ribbon, and then my cards over here as well. So it's a nice, handy little setup. I also usually give people these little magnets. So I've got little cat ones, and the magnets look like this. It's just a big container full of, they're heavy duty magnets, but I use those. And then I've been getting these from Amazon. These are little wooden buttons, and then I get these clear cabochons, and I put the button on it. Let's see, let me just show how I do that. So I get one of these buttons, and I've got some glue. I put the glue here, and I turn the button so you can see it through it. And then I'll put one of these magnets on it, so it ends up looking like this. And I give most people one or two, either a cat and a regular round magnet, and I will put them in this a little bag like this. So this is just a little extra thing that they get with their purchase. And then I put them in my my little bubble mailer. And I have a DYMO machine that prints out the mailing label. And that is it. I hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.